welcome three super achievers. Sharon Cuneta, Richard Gomez, and Direct Olive Lamasan. Hello, sexy! Hi, Direct Olive. And
Hi,
of
Chris.
course, hello kay Richard. Wag ko kayong alas, mga kaibigan. Mag one-on-one. Chikahan muna tayo with a megastar, Sharon Cuneta.
No need to be reminded. Only the truth can set you free. For the who's who and what's going on. You can't hide it, 'cause I'll find it. Just reach out and talk to me.
Sharon, I have to bring it up right away because sa Manila Standard kahapon, ikaw ang front page with a humongous picture.
Nagulat nga ako.
Oo, ano, Sharon being eyed by the family or being pushed by her family to run in Pasay. Would you?
No,
Even for your dad?
no. He already talked to me when he was still strong and before he got sick, which was many years ago. And I really told him, I said, Dad, I'm not cut out for it. I really am not.
No kung no talaga?
No kung no talaga.
Mahirap ba that you have excelled in everything? Kung tutuusin talaga,
Thank
lahat
you.
ng pinasok mo, you have talagang made your mark. Not only made your mark, pero parang mahirap na in this lifetime natin na magpantayan all the success. Let's start off with recording. Yung, meron ka pa bang hihingin as far as your singing is concerned?
Maybe siguro to, since the world is becoming smaller, maybe to do some work outside of the country naman, in recording.
Oh, totoo ba yun? Nabasa namin yung
Negotiating, yeah, we're negotiating.
BMG International.
Supposedly, yeah. Sana.
And Martin had a fabulous birthday concert with a PPO. Hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng ganun.
Actually,
Kailan?
ako daw yung next in line. Pwede ko na ba
Sana.
sabihin? Ako daw yung next in line. But sila Gabby Lopez were saying, baka daw mga April. So I ko, let's see, because I really, really would like to try and get pregnant muna. So I can't commit that far.
Pag-usapan natin yung pelikula. Kasi nga, di ba, box office successes tuloy-tuloy talaga. The Grand Slam also came your way. Does that put added pressure on this film now?
I guess I would be lying if I said it didn't. But as truthfully as I can put it, I really, really had to, you know, parang put it all aside and just have fun. Kasi if you're going to
Nag-enjoy
think of...
ka when you're
Oo.
acting again? Masaya?
Masaya kasi more than 2 years akong hindi umaarte.
Oo.
Pero itong kwento, yung first day namin, sabi ko, Direk, feeling ko starlet ako. Kasi hindi ko makuha yung lines kong straight. Talagang nakailang take kami na pack up, hindi natapos yung eksena sa katangahan ko.
Pangatlo na lang, Sharon, ang siguro kulang siguro is that you started your college in Boston.
Yeah, Chris, you know that. You know,
Oo.
all these years, that's all I've ever wanted, really, aside from the baby. I want to go back to school. Because education is... I will never be at peace with myself until I get an education. You know, I mean, that kind of an education.
So could it happen soon? Itong darating na pasukan kaya?
My priority is really to try and have a baby.
Oo.
Afterwards, then maybe. Hindi siguro sa darating na pasukan. Baka soon after.
Besides all those, ngayon naman talaga meron ka ng your Mega Music. And
It's a tiny label.
at nag-produce ka na rin ng show. So meron ka isang mentor ata when it comes to producing. She's a good friend of both of us. She's Sandra Chavez.
Yeah.
And we got to talk to her about you. Panoorin po natin ito.
Singing all her life. There's a time na parang gusto niya mag-control na rin. So far, recording producer, di ba ano? So far, isa pa lang nare-release niya. Favorite niya yung ginawa niya. Believe siya dun sa ginawa niya. And I think validated naman yan. Binili naman ng tao. Gusto niya lahat ng ginagawa niya. Well, at least 99%. Gusto ng tao. That's a very good choice. I mean, producing yourself. Sharon's recording is really one of the best sellers in Philippines. I'm just overwhelmed by your friendship. I really, and of course the working relationship we had. I am grateful that I know you, not only as a megastar, but really as a true person and as a dear, dear, dear friend. I love you, Shawi.
Thank you, Sans, my agent, Sandra Chavez.
Nabanggit doon sa Inquirer Sunday magazine that I read na Kiko said that the only thing he sees na parang he wishes he could change is that you're so hard on yourself.
Yeah.
Sobra mo bang dinadrive ang sarili mo?
So, you know, we were just talking about it on Valentine's Day. And I said, I think I get it from my dad. Kasi nagsentimiento ako, bigla I started crying. I said, you know, I everything, parang the drive, everything. Parang it's always go 10 steps farther than the normal person would. I get that from my dad, I really do. And I push myself too hard. My health suffers, I usually end up with no time at all for myself. It's always for members of my family or people I love. I spread myself out too thin. But that's the way I am, eh.
Pero yun nga, the fact that you're able to do that, you would not be Sharon now kung hindi mo ginawa yun. And they would not love you as much as they love you kung hindi ka ganun.
I guess. Thanks, Grace.
Pagbalik ho natin mga kaibigan, isa pang mega achiever. Mapa-sports, mapa-acting, singing dahil meron na rin siyang 2 single at pati ho mga kaibigan sa gobyerno. We'll be back with Richard Gomez. Please don't go away.